I had a vocational counselor back in the day that told me that the best employment opportunity for me was to work in a workshop because of my physical impairments.
Yeah.
I did that for a while with a service provider on the south side of Chicago. But I found out through my own experience that assembly line work was not the type of work for me, because if you cannot do it at a fast pace, you don't make any money per day or per month, and you can not make a livable wage doing piecework. So I decided after about a month that I would stop going to the workshop and look for competitive employment. And I was able to find competitive work for a while. I feel and I believe that people with disabilities deserve to work in the type of job that they choose to work, not someone dictating to them what type of employment they should consider. Everyone deserves a livable wage. I don't care who you are.